What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, Beauty by Ada here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I did this medium box braid on my clients. And if you're a new subscriber, welcome to my channel, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. The new subscribers, please remember to subscribe and click on the notification bell so you know whenever I post my videos. Keep watching, and thank you guys for always coming back and sticking with me. Thank you. Welcome back to my channel, guys. So today I'm going to be showing you how to do the medium box braid. So stay tuned and watch as I do this medium box braid. I am not going to be doing much of a talking in this video because everything is just there. It's obvious, you can see everything, so I'm not going to be doing much of the talking. So if you're new to my channel, welcome again, and please remember to subscribe and click on the notification bell so you know whenever I post my videos. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Welcome to my channel, and please remember to subscribe. Yeah, I said that again. Remember to subscribe. Okay, so I'm going to be doing this medium box braid using my shine and jam, my braiding hair as usual, my combs and everything. I have the link on my description box on everything that I use, and most of the things I get them from Amazon, so I have the link. If you want any of them, you can click on the link and get yours now. Everything I'm using, not sponsored, nothing, it's just some things that I've used and I really fell in love with them. So if you want any of those, you can click on the links and then get yours. And guys, I am on Instagram. I have other social media handles, and if you want to follow me on those places, I have Instagram at Beauty by Ada, and I have Twitter at Beauty by Ada. I also have Snapchat at Beauty by Ada, and I have a Facebook page, Olive Hills Signature. I have everything in the description box, so if you want to do that, you can go ahead and follow me on other social media handles. And I also have my personal Instagram page, which is Ada Hills, ADAH. my baby. Yeah, he was just giving me so much stress. I had to like put him on my back. This is the way we Nigerians, the Africans, the real ones, so this is the way we back our kids when they are crying or giving us, or when they want cuddle time or mommy me time, you know. Yeah, I already dropped him out. I already dropped him because he slept off, so I dropped him back. And we are almost done, guys. Can't believe this. We are almost done. So guys, this is it. I'm taking off the stray hairs, and after that I'll be dipping it in hot water like you guys already know, and then that is it. Applying my mousse, and that is it. So thank you so much, guys, for coming back. Thank you for always watching my videos. Please remember to share my videos, like my videos, and subscribe. Click on the notification bell so you know whenever I post my videos. Yeah, she's so happy. Look at that smile. She's so happy. Thank you so much, guys, for always sticking with me. So this is the finished look, guys. I had to put the golden thing. Yeah, this is it. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I'll definitely see you guys in the next video. Thank you.